Yes, students, good morning and a very warm welcome to today's class. I hope you all are great and studying well. So, today we are going to study the poetry that is Macavity, the Mystery Cat. As you all can see that there is a text of poetry in front of you, and today we are going to study that. And the name itself is very interesting, right? Macavity, the Mystery Cat. अब mystery word जहाँ भी आ जाता है ना, थिंग अपने आप बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग हो जाती है, right? मिस्ट्री वर्ड आते ही द थिंग इटसेल्फ इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, मजा आने लगता है, क्यूरियोसिटी डेवलप हो जाती है कि क्या मिस्ट्री होगी इसमें। और एक कैट, एक पेट कैट या फिर एक नॉर्मल आप कैट ले लो और कैट के साथ में मिस्ट्री, हाउ कैन दिस हैपन? कैट कैसे मिस्टीरियस हो सकती है, ये एक बहुत ही अमेजिंग सी चीज हो जाती है। तो अभी भी अगर आप लोग इसको पढ़ चुके हो तो एक अलग बात है, जिन्होंने अभी तक नहीं पढ़ा वो कहीं ना कहीं द चिल्ड्रन माइट बी वेरी क्यूरियस टू नो कि क्या मिस्ट्री होगी यहाँ पे। So before we understand and before we read the text, let us see one thing. Do you have a pet cat? This is a question. क्या आपके पास pet cat है? Some might say yes, I have, and some might say no, I don't have. Have you ever noticed anything mysterious about it? So if you have a pet cat, क्या कभी कुछ mysterious notice किया है उसके बारे में? It's not easy to say whether every cat is mystery. अब ये तो कहना इज बोलेंगे कि ये सच नहीं है, इट्स नॉट इजी टू से कि हर कैट की कोई ना कोई मिस्ट्री होती है, बिकॉज द कैट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट हियर दैट इज मैकाविटी इज वन, उसके साथ में एक मिस्ट्री जुड़ी हुई है। मैकाविटी इज अ मिस्टीरियस कैट फॉर श्योर। एंड व्हाट इज इट दैट मेक्स हिम अ परफेक्ट मिस्ट्री कैट? और ऐसा क्या है जो उसको एक परफेक्ट मिस्ट्री कैट बना देता है? रीड द पोएम एंड फाइंड आउट। अब इस पोएम को पढ़ो एंड उसको आंसर को फाइंड आउट। ओके, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं एक बार इसका जस्ट टेक्स्ट रीड करती हूँ। आई जस्ट रीड द टेक्स्ट, देन आफ्टर दैट आई गिव यू एन कॉन्सेप्चुअलाइजेशन, दैट इज एक समराइजेशन ऑफ द पोएट्री, कि आप उस चीज को अच्छे से समझ पाओ। देन वी विल मूव ऑन टू द लाइन टू लाइन एक्सप्लेनेशन। एक बार चीज समझ में आती है ना, देन यू विल बी वेरी इजीली be able to link one line to the other, तो आप लाइंस की लिंकेज इजीली कर पाओगे, है ना? बिकॉज पोइट्री की लाइंस जो होती है थोड़ी सी टिपिकल होती है, तो उसको थोड़ा सा लिंक करना वी फाइंड समटाइम्स वी फाइंड इट डिफिकल्ट। सो सी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू रीड इट, तो एक बार आप उसको बहुत ध्यान से सुनेंगे क्योंकि बहुत से वर्ड जैसे होंगे, द टाइम आई गिव यू द एक्सप्लेनेशन, तो आपको लाइन टू लाइन अपने आप समझ आती जाएंगी चीजें जब आप उसको कॉन्सेप्ट समझोगे। सो मैकाविटी इज अ मिस्ट्री कैट. He is called the hidden paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. The flying squads disappear. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Macavity, Macavity, there's no one like Macavity. He's broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His power of levitation would make a fakir stare. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. You may seek him in the basement. You may look up in the air. But I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. Now, him, if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in, his brow is deeply lined with thought, his head is highly domed, his coat is dusty from neglect, his whiskers are uncombed, he sways his head from side to side with movements like snake, and when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. Macavity, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. For he is a find in feline shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in by street, you may see him in the square. But when a crime is discovered, then Macavity is not there. Who's written this? T.S. Eliot. अब आप इतनी सी ये एक ओरल लाइन सुन के आपको एक चीज समझ में आई होगी, दैट व्हाट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इज कि जो मैकाविटी का मिस्ट्री कैट है ना, हाउ द मैकाविटी इज अ मिस्ट्री। ये मिस्ट्री कैसे है? मैकाविटी एक मिस्ट्री किस तरह से है? बिकॉज मैकाविटी हमेशा कहाँ मिलेगी आपको? क्राइम सीन्स पे। हर क्राइम के पीछे मैकाविटी का हाथ है, लेकिन जब आप क्राइम सीन पे पहुंचते हो तो एट दैट टाइम यू डू नॉट फाइंड मैकाविटी ओवर देयर। तो उस समय आपको मैकेविटी कभी भी वहां पे नहीं मिलना, ठीक है। सो दिस इज बेसिकली हम बोलेंगे कि ये अल्टीमेटली क्या था, उसका मिस्ट्री थी, दैट वेर एवर देर इज क्राइम at the scene of crime it's done by Macavity, but whenever the spies and the yards they reach there to catch Macavity, then at that time Macavity is not there. So this is basically the mystery we are talking about, okay. Now see, now we are moving on to the summarization of it. मैं आपको बताती हूँ. So see, this poem is going to describe the story of a mystery cat, and the name of the cat is Macavity. It's a fictional character and it depicts the action of crooks. Crooks समझते हो, ठग हुए, चोर हुए, that kind of a character. Macavity is also known by one name. The name is Hidden Paw. Macavity को क्या कहा जाता था? Hidden Paw. Now, he's a very notorious criminal. ये बहुत ही notorious criminal, spy, and Macavity is a trickster and openly disobey the laws. मैकाविटी सारे लॉज को बहुत ही ओपनली डिसोबे करने का उसका काम था, ठीक है। ओपनली डिसोबे करने का मतलब क्राइम सीन्स पे क्राइम करके गायब हो जाना, ग्रेविटी के लॉज को डिफाइन करना एंड डिफाई एनी लॉ. सो दिस इज बेसिकली वी कैन से दैट मैकाविटी ओपनली डिसोबेज द लॉ. सो अल्टीमेटली वी कैन से दैट मैकाविटी इज अ मास्टरमाइंड एंड व्हेन मैकाविटी एस्केप्स फ्रॉम द क्राइम सीन, मैकाविटी पीछे कोई सबूत नहीं छोड़ के जाती. So it's mastermind and leaves no evidence after committing the crime. Thus, the Scotland Yard police is also helpless. Flying squads have also never succeeded in catching Macavity as he runs faster than them. उनसे भी तेज, तो जब तक वो पहुंचते मैकाविटी उस क्राइम सीन से गायब. Poet says that Macavity is a unique cat and he not only break the human laws but also the law of nature. So Macavity सिर्फ human laws को नहीं, जो nature के laws है ना, Macavity also breaks them. He can float in the air. So law of gravity जो है वो तो nature का law है. So Macavity do what? Float in the air without any support and thus float in the air without any support and thus breaks the gravitational law. And breaks the gravitational law of nature. And it is said that the fakirs have some magical powers, but even they look at him surprised. And even जब वो मैकाविटी को एयर में फ्लोट होते देखते हैं ना, तो जो फकीर्स होते हैं जिनके पास में कुछ मैजिकल पावर्स होती हैं, they are also left in surprise. उन्हें भी बहुत हैरानी होती है कि ये क्या हो गया, how is this? So thus we can say that Macavity has supernatural and magical powers, and surprisingly, even when rushes to the crime scene, they cannot find him. He is not in the basement, under the earth, nor he is in the air, that is sky. Thus, we can say that he outwits the world's top investigation agencies. And Macavity appearance is also very special. आप जब मैकाविटी को recognize करते तो मैकाविटी कैसी है? जिंजर कैट, thin ginger cat, very tall, eyes are sunken, and his deep brows has deep wrinkles. Brows depict करते हैं that he is in deep and continuous planning of criminal act. कुछ ना कुछ criminal act की planning चल रही है. Never combs his whiskers, constantly neglects the skin because Macavity full of dust है. And highly domed shape head है, उसका एकदम dome जैसा गोल सिर है. And one can find him swing his head from side to side, कैसे? एक snake की तरह. One may feel that he is in deep sleep, but वो हमेशा क्या कर रहा? Only dozing. Thus he is a proficient cheat, spy and trickster. वो सबको ऐसा लगेगा that Macavity is sleeping, but no, वो वहाँ पे cheating चल रही होती है. Just pretends to sleep, but actually only dozing and उसकी awareness full होती है. So author says that Macavity possesses a unique character and he finds him to be the incarnation of evil. ये तो किसी evil का incarnation हो गया है, अवतार हो गया है किसी evil का. He says that one can see Macavity anywhere easily, maybe in the street or in a square, but whenever you find him, in order to punish him for any of his crimes, he cannot be found anywhere. तो कभी भी आपको इसलिए ढूंढना है तो आपको Macavity कहीं पे भी नहीं मिलेगा. Okay, so what we got to read? We knew about Macavity's physical appearance, we knew about Macavity's behavior, character, and this most special thing that's unique. And why unique? Because whenever to be present on the crime scene, whenever the yards and the police reaches there, McAvities runs faster than them and he's always escaped from the scene. Okay, understood? So see, McAvity or mystery cat, he is the called the hidden paw. अब McAvity क्या है? एक mystery cat है and उसे क्या कहा जाता है? Hidden paw. Hidden paw समझते हो? वो footsteps जो basically hidden है. Paw means the foot, लेकिन वो किस फॉर्म में है? Hidden फॉर्म में है. ठीक है, क्योंकि दिखते नहीं है ना, क्योंकि हर जगह पे क्राइम सीन पे इंफॉर्मेशन आती है that McAvity has created so and so, but whenever reach there तो McAvity वहां से गायब. So it's the hidden paw. For he is the master criminal who can defy the law. क्यों? क्योंकि master criminal McAvity क्या है? Master criminal and who can defy the law. So वो ऐसी master criminal है that who is going to defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. He is the flying squad's discipline. Now, जब भी crime scene से information आती है and the Scotland Yard and the flying squad reaches to do what? To capture and to, we can say that, catch McAvity over there. McAvity is running faster than them. तो वो स्कॉटलैंड यार्ड हमेशा एक बैफलमेंट में, हमेशा एक कंफ्यूजन में रह जाता है कि अल्टीमेटली मैकविटी कहाँ गया. एंड द फ्लाइंग स्क्वाड्स डिसअपियर. एंड फ्लाइंग स्क्वाड के लिए भी ये क्या हो जाता है? एक डिस्पेयर हो जाता है. For when they reach the scene of crime, McAvity is not there. जब वो क्राइम सीन पे पहुंचते हैं तो McAvity is never there. McAvity कभी भी वहां नहीं होता. ठीक है, सो फ्लाइंग स्क्वाड इज ऑलवेज वेरी सैड बिकॉज वो जो चाहते थे वो कभी नहीं हो पाया. एंड अलोंग विद दैट स्कॉटलैंड यार्ड हमेशा एक कंफ्यूजन में रह गया दैट व्हाट इज दिस, एंड वो हमें कभी भी नहीं मिले. सो फॉर व्हेन दे रीच द सीन ऑफ क्राइम, McAvity is not there. McAvity, there's no one like McAvity. So the poet is saying that McAvity is unique. यूनिक कहने का मतलब होता है जिसके जैसा कोई नहीं होता. So why is called McAvity unique? Because there is no one like McAvity. He's broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. That is, along with the breaking of human laws, McAvity also breaks the law of the nature. So he's broken. हर human law को break किया है McAvity ने. And along with that also nature's law, that is the law of gravity, has also been broken by McAvity. Now, he has some supernatural powers, that is the power of levitation, and it would make a fakir stare, float in the air. And looking at this, जो फकीर्स होते थे ना, उनके पास में कुछ powers होती थी, magical powers. And when the fakir saw the McAvity floating in the air, he too is surprised by it. He keeps on looking at McAvity in surprise that how can this happen. So we can say that McAvity has some supernatural or some magical powers. And when you reach the scene of crime, McAvity is not there. So whenever you reach the scene of crime, आप कभी भी अगर crime scene पे पहुंचते हैं तो McAvity is not there. McAvity कभी भी वहां पे नहीं मिलता. And everybody is surprised and that where McAvity has gone. He is the one who escapes from the crime scenes, and when one rushes to the crime scene to find McAvity, they cannot find him. And you may seek him in the basement. You may look up in the air. आप उसको basement में ढूंढ लो, ठीक है? Look at in the basement, that is under the earth. Or either secondly, may look up in the air. आसमान में देख लो, in the air, that is sky. So basement is under the earth, and साथ ही साथ में जब आप यहाँ पे बोलते हो up, look up in the air, तो look up in the air means look at the sky. So even under the earth भी McAvity नहीं मिलता, and in the sky भी McAvity वहां पे नहीं मिलता. But I tell you once and once again, McAvity is not there. So we can say that he outwits the world top investigation agencies, and McAvity is neither find under the earth and nor find in the sky. McAvity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. Now comes the physical appearance, a special appearance of what? Appearance of McAvity. And McAvity has a special kind of appearance. And what is the appearance of McAvity says? Now see, McAvity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. McAvity क्या है? McAvity एक ginger cat है. McAvity is very tall and McAvity is very thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. अगर आपने कभी मैक्विटी को देखा हो ना, तो आप उसको अच्छे से समझ सकते हो. मैक्विटी की आईज जो थी वो अंदर की तरफ संक की हुई थी. His brow is deeply lined with thoughts, और उसके जो आईब्राउज थे they were deeply wrinkled. एंड वो क्या डिपिक्ट करते हैं कि मैक्विटी कंटिन्यूसली प्लानिंग कर रहा है किस चीज की, ऑफ द क्रिमिनल एक्ट. सम और द अदर क्रिमिनल एक्ट इज बीइंग प्लान्ड बाय मैक्विटी. His head is highly domed, and मैक्विटी का जो हेड है ना, what shape it is? Highly domed shape head है मैक्विटी का. Okay. Now his coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. मैक्विटी never combs his whiskers. कभी भी नहीं comb किया. And constantly मैक्विटी neglects the skin. And how we can see this? Because it's all over dusty. मैक्विटी is full of dust. Now one can find him. He sways his head from side to side with movements like snails. And whenever one finds McVitie, what is McVitie doing? Swaying his head from side to side. And this shows that McVitie's movements of head are just like a snake, just pretending like to be a snake. Snake जैसे movements दिखाई दे रहे हैं उसके. One may feel, and sometimes ऐसा होता है, and when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. Sometimes क्या होता है, one may feel that McVitie is in deep sleep, but he will be only dozing. But क्या हो रहा होता है, मैक्विटी उस वक्त सिर्फ एक डोजिंग मतलब हल्की सी झपकी में होती है, एंड मैक्विटी इज ऑलवेज अवेक बट प्रिटेंड्स. क्या शो करते हैं, एक प्रोफिशिएंट चीट की तरह. मैक्विटी इज अ प्रोफिशिएंट चीट pretending to be full asleep, half asleep, but actually is wide awake. That is actually only dozing, spying, and we can say McVitie is a perfect trickster. McVitie, there's no one like McVitie, for he is a find in a feline shape. So it said that author say that McVitie is a unique character, and McVitie possesses a unique character, and there's no one like McVitie. For is a find in a feline shape. And ये कहा जा रहा है that McVitie उनको poet को कैसी लग रही है, is an incarnation of the evil. ठीक है, that is related to, we can say is related to an evil shape. A monster of depravity, is a monster of moral corruption. And you may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square. And one, he says that one can see McVitie anywhere easily. जैसे कि maybe in the street or in the square, but whenever you find him in order to punish him for any of his crime, you are not going to find McVitie. But when a crime is discovered, then McVitie is not there. So McVitie आपको easily मिल जाएगा in the street, in the square. But when it's the time to find McVitie on where the crime we can say the crime spot. So जब भी कोई crime discover हुआ है, and you are going to find McVitie in order to punish him for any of his crime, then McVitie is not there. Then he cannot be found anywhere. It's written by T.S. Eliot. Now I hope you understood that what the McVitie the mystery cat is about. Yes, students. So now we are moving that working with the poem part. That is, read the first stanza and think: is McVitie a cat really? If not, who can McVitie be? क्या मैक्विटी सच में एक कैट है? No, we can say McVitie can be a magician. If not, who can McVitie be? आपको ऐसा लगता है कि McVitie एक कैट नहीं है, तो McVitie को क्या होना चाहिए था? McVitie might have been a kind of magician or some supernatural creature. ठीक है? Now complete the following sentences. A master criminal is one who can defy the laws of nature. Scotland Yard is baffled because whenever they reach the scene of crime, McVitie is never there. Dash, because McVitie moves much faster than them. McVitie cannot be caught by the flying squad, because McVitie moves much faster than them. A cat, I am sure, could walk on a cloud without coming through. It's the lines given by Jules Verne. Which law is McVitie breaking in the light of the comment above? What is it breaking? The law of gravity. That is, McVitie can float in the air. Now read stanza 3 and then describe McVitie in 2 or 3 sentences of your own. क्या हो सकते हैं 2 से 3? That McVitie is a unique cat. Okay, Macavity possesses some supernatural power, and Macavity can be, we can say, a trickster, a spy and a trickster. So this can be three sentences in which we can explain or describe Macavity. Now you have to say true or false. Macavity is not an ordinary cat. True. Macavity cannot do what a fakir can easily do. False, because वो उसके भी beyond बहुत कुछ कर सकती है जो कि फकीर नहीं कर सकते. Macavity has supernatural powers. True. Macavity is well dressed, smart and bright. False, because वो हमेशा से कैसी रही है Macavity? Macavity हमेशा से बहुत बिल्कुल uncombed, मतलब उसने अपनी स्किन को बहुत इग्नोर किया है, डस्टी ऑल द टाइम, सो थिन टॉल, तो हम बोल सकते हैं दैट दिस स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स. Macavity is a spy, a trickster, and a criminal, all rolled in one. Yes, it's true. ये तीनों उसकी characteristics हैं, and the statement is true. Having read the poem, try to guess whether the poet is fond of cats. If so, why does he calls Macavity a fiend and a monster? Now, after having read the poem, आप try करो guess whether जो poet है is fond of cats. If so, why does he call Macavity a fiend and a monster? अब आप बताओ, is poet fond of cat? Yes, obviously I find that he is fond of cats. And now, if so, ऐसा तो why does he call Macavity a fiend and a monster? वो इसलिए उसको ऐसा कहते हैं because possesses the characteristics of devil, we can say. उसके अंदर ना वो evil characteristics थे. The nature of the cat, it really shows us that yes, he calls him a fiend and a monster. Has the poet used exaggeration for special effect? Find a few examples and read those lines aloud. Yes, poet ने कुछ special effects के लिए exaggeration use किया है. That is चीज को एक beyond the bar, beyond the level जाकर के उन्होंने उसको थोड़ा exaggerate किया है. Just कि उसके अंदर कुछ special effects आ सके, and that special effects should make, we can say, make the poetry more special and more interesting to us. And examples can be quoted from the poem. And वो जब हम आपको PDF देंगे तो it will be in them. तो examples poetry की ही lines होंगी. Okay, now the question and answers are clear to you. चलो ठीक है. So this is all for the class. Just go through the text, and if there are any doubts, you can clear it with me. And now we'll be meeting in tomorrow's class with something new. Till then, just take care of yourself and stay safe.